We're checking out the Apple iPad A16, featuring powerful performance and a stunning display. With the fast A16 chip and all-day battery life, it's built for work, entertainment, and creativity. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Apple iPad A16, USB-C charge cable, power adapter, and user manual. Product overview. Top button Touch ID, volume buttons, front camera, microphone, rear camera, microphone, smart connector, USB-C connector. How to use. Now let's turn this on and give it a moment to power up. The iPad A16 comes with an A16 chip and 6 GB of RAM for smooth everyday performance, but interestingly, it does not support Apple Intelligence despite the newer chip. It offers Wi-Fi 6 and optional 5G on the cellular model, and supports Apple Pencil USB-C as well as Apple Pencil first generation for note-taking and creativity. Setup is simple with an iPhone for quick transfer, and it includes Touch ID for secure unlocking and payments, automatic updates, location services, Apple ID sign-in, Siri, and Apple Pay options, making it a straightforward, ready-to-use experience for work, study, and entertainment. How to charge. To charge the Apple iPad A16, connect the included USB-C charging cable to the iPad's USB-C port and plug the other end into the power adapter. Then connect the adapter to a wall outlet and the battery will begin charging automatically. Smart features? Powered by the A16 chip with a 5-core CPU and 4-core GPU, it delivers smooth performance for multitasking, gaming, streaming, and everyday productivity. The 16-core neural engine also boosts efficiency and responsiveness, helping apps run faster while keeping power consumption optimized. The 11-inch liquid Retina display delivers sharp visuals with 2360 by 1640 resolution, true tone, and 500 nits brightness for clear, vibrant viewing. It's great for streaming, reading, and creative work, with an immersive screen that makes content look smooth and detailed. The iPad A16 supports Apple Pencil, USB-C, and Apple Pencil first generation, making it useful for note-taking, drawing, and everyday creative tasks. However, it does not support Apple Pencil second generation or Apple Pencil Pro, so you're limited to the basic and adapter-based pencil options. The iPad A16 comes with Wi-Fi 6 and optional 5G on cellular models for fast and stable internet performance. It also includes a USB-C port for charging, data transfer, and connecting accessories with ease. The iPad A16 offers up to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge for browsing, streaming, and everyday use. It is designed to easily last through a full day of work, study, or entertainment without frequent recharging. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Apple iPad A16 from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Apple iPad A16. See you at the next one.